was pretty cool, right? I don't actually know that guy, but regardless, why am I filming in this car? Well, it's because now it's not good enough for you that I'm filming 5 days a week plus a live stream every single Saturday. It's not good enough that I upload multiple times a day on Instagram. It's not good enough that I'm now filming car content and doing personal development stuff on things that keep me up at night. No, you want more. You want more from me, and that's why there was like a borderline mutiny in the comment section of my last live stream, people being like, oh, Time Teller, we want a podcast. You said you'd do a podcast. Where's the podcast? Okay, dude. Why do you want a podcast if I do a live stream for like an hour every single week and you can watch the recorded playback like it's a podcast? Oh, but Time Teller, the YouTube app doesn't let you multitask, so if I'm on my iPad, I can't do anything else if the YouTube app is open. Okay, I have a job, and, I can't watch YouTube, but I can listen to things during my job. When I drive, I can't watch YouTube, but I can listen to things when I drive. Okay, I've heard all the excuses, and I'm going to tell you right now, I care. And that's why I'm introducing the podcast. That's right, guys. We're uploading a podcast, hopefully weekly, probably like twice a month though, just because of the workload right now and me being forced to find time to get on camera like right now when we're going to run errands. I'm so happy that my girlfriend puts up with me yelling into a camera while she drives me around. But guys, we're gonna upload for people that want to watch the podcast on Things That Keep Me Up at Night channel, and we're going to do audio only wherever you find podcasts. We're gonna put right here on screen where we uploaded the first episode. That's right, we already have a first episode, and we're going to leave links in the description below where you can find the Things That Keep Me Up at Night podcast. So why aren't I uploading here on the Time Teller channel? Well, it's because I have a feeling the majority of people that subscribe to the Time Teller channel want to watch it just for like straight up watch content. But I also have a feeling that the majority of people that have been asking me for a podcast were, people that kind of like these random tangents that I go on, and they like the things that I talk about outside of the watch world. So we're going to still talk about watches on the Things That Keep Me Up at Night podcast, and I'm even interviewing a few other watch reviewers, so I'm gonna let you guess which ones have already agreed to be on. But yeah, we're gonna talk about watches, we're gonna talk about cars, we're gonna talk about conspiracy theories, everything that keeps me up at night, and it's all gonna be in a nice, clean podcast for all you audio listeners. And if you wanna watch it and treat it like it's a live stream, then you can watch it over on the Things That Keep Me Up at Night channel. Now, please, if you could, consider supporting us on Patreon, because each new piece of content, each new project that we start, it literally costs us money. And right now, these other new channels and this podcast, it's not monetized. So it costs us money to produce it, to edit it, all this, yada, yada, yada. And we're not really making money from it yet. So if you want to support us and keep us doing it, please consider clicking the link in the description and following us on Patreon and supporting this project, because I really think that it could grow and just be so much fun. So guys, I joked at the beginning that I'm like upset that you want so much content from me, but this is literally my job, and I'm honored that you want more content from me. So guys, I will see you on the Things That Keep Me Up at Night podcast, and yeah, you might not see me, you might just hear me. Oh, that's weird. Everybody said I have a face for radio, so. Wait, that means I'm ugly.